Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I am going to do a simple drink recipe. So I am going to blend 3 carrots and some star fruits. So people, what I am doing now is to remove the seeds from the star fruit. So you can cut it like this. And just remove the seeds. I wash the fruits properly with water, and my hands are clean. Just look for the seeds and remove them. Or if you prefer to say de-seed the star apples, you can cut it like this as well. Not star apples, star fruits. And you can cut it like this as well. See, you get this star shape. Now remove the seeds. See the seed here? People, instead of using 3 carrots, I am going to use 2 because the carrot has a very strong color and I want the drink to have like a contrast color, so I don't want to use too much carrot and then the drink only looks like carrot. I want it to have like a contrast color where as you look at the drink you can tell that it's carrot and something else. So I'm going to use 2 carrots instead of 3. So I remove the top of the carrot and the tip of the carrot and then I peel it. I don't want the skin to use. And make sure that you wash your hands, wash your fruits, wash everything. Make sure you eat fruits that are rich in vitamin C at this time. Like oranges, cherry. West Indian cherry has more vitamin C than one orange, and the cherry is very small, but cherry is not in season at this time, so you can eat a lot of oranges, you know, because you know that virus is out, right? So you have to make sure that your immune system is very strong, so there's nothing you can do about the virus, but you can do something that, you know, if the virus tries to attack your body, then your body defense system is very strong, so it will ward it off. So what you can do now is to wash your hands, eat a lot of vitamin C, and just pray. Prayer is good, trust me, it works. So I put some of the star fruits and carrots into a blender, and I am going to pour enough water just to cover them. Right, just enough water. You don't want to use a lot of water because you don't want the drink to be long, as they say in Jamaica. look at the color. See, I'm telling you why I use 2 carrots, because the carrot color is very strong. So I use 2 carrots instead of the 3. So now I am gonna blend the second batch. So this is the second batch. So I blend it in 2 batches. Now I am gonna strain it using a strainer first, and then a clean kitchen towel. You can use cheesecloth if you have cheesecloth. I cannot get any cheesecloth to buy right now. Everywhere I turn, nobody has cheesecloth. So I'm gonna use what I have, which is a clean kitchen towel. So like strain it using a clean kitchen towel, because I do not have any cheesecloth. I cannot get any cheesecloth to buy. And what the cheesecloth that I had, I threw it away, because after I use it, you know, too many times, then I throw it away and buy new cheesecloth. But I cannot get any at this time. So I use a clean kitchen towel. So yes, and then I sweeten it using my favorite sweetener, which is sweetener. That is the granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar if you want, but I do not like brown sugar to sweeten my drink, because it changes the taste. It makes the drink a bit too heavy for me, and it also changes the color. I don't like it. Okay, so you can use honey if you want to use honey, or you can use brown sugar. I use granulated sugar because that's what I want to use. Now I am gonna up the taste a bit by adding the juice of 1 lime. You can blend it with ginger if you want, but I'm not using ginger with this. I find that lime makes it, give it a better taste to me, but everybody is different. You can try it with ginger if you want. So this is it, carrot and star fruit, or star fruits and carrots. Yep. So I was looking for a more contrast color, whereas, you know, you can see the carrot color, but you can also see that another color is there peeping through. But because the star fruits color is very weak, so the carrot color overpowered it, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But nevertheless, the drink is totally refreshing, totally tasty, totally nice. So you can try this. Summer is coming around.